Hey Bonham Bears, welcome to writing today with Miss Cochran. I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. So today we will review shapes and then you will draw and trace the shapes on your own. And then you can also create something with those shapes if you would like. So let's look at our shape page. Are you ready? So here is our shape page. We have learned all of these in writing already. And some of you maybe remember them from some of our math lessons or small group lessons. So let's look at them. Where is the triangle? Can you point to it? There it is. Where is the circle? Good, right here. Where is the cross? Ooh, that first one right here. And where is the square? Good job. So when we were talking about this, we also talked about some descriptive words and how we describe these shapes too. So let's see if you can play a little game with me, if you can find them. Which shape has 3 sides? Which shape has 3 sides? 1, 2, 3. It is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Which shape has no corners? Which shape has no corners? There are no corners here, are there? Good. It is all round. Which shape has 4 lines? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which shape has 2 lines? Do you see one with 2 lines? 1, 2. Last one, which shape has 4 corners in it? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners in it. So we're going to start by drawing these shapes together. So get your writing utensil, get your paper ready, and we're going to start by writing these shapes on our paper together. So I am ready. I have mine ready. And remember, when we write, we always start at the top. All right, let's get ready. I'm going to start here with this cross. We're going to make sure we start at the top, and we're going to make a little line down, little line across. Little line down, little line across. Good job. Now we're going to do the circle together. Remember, always start at the top. We're going to start at the top. Magic C. Keep on going. Magic C. Keep on going. Stop at the top. Good job. Square. We're going to make a square together. Little line down, little line across, little line up, little line across. Look at those straight lines, all 4 straight lines. And now we're going to make a triangle. Little line slides down, little line slides across, little line slides up. Good job. All right, we're going to try it one more time. Do you remember how to make a cross? Little line down, little line across. Magic C. Keep on going. Stop at the top. Little line down for a square, little line across, little line up, little line across. 4 sides to that. And we're going to make a triangle. Remember, we slide down. Look at that slide. Look at how they're sliding. Just like when you go on a slide, you slide down. We're going to go slide across the bottom and then slide up to the top. Those are our 4 shapes. All right, it's your turn now, and I can't wait to see your 4 shapes. Have a great day, guys. Bye.